Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Friday, May 10th. In the NASDAQ market, we can see a market that made new highs, but it did it on selling. The market's stopping here to take a breath. The issue is how do we finish going into the weekend? I'm looking for buyers to hold their own here. Typically, you'd expect this market to back off further. I think it's done its share, and I'm looking for buyers to step up. We also saw a strengthening of the U.S. dollar, which means we should see some weakness in that crude oil. But right now we can see in the euro here that sellers came back into this market, which implies a stronger dollar. However, the movement, if the sellers are present, the movement over the next 2 to 3 days will give us clues about the longer term aspect of this market. When it comes to interest rates, well, they continue to get weaker, as we can see here for the 10-year notes, and I think that's a step in the right direction. It's the kind of behavior we expect to see, and I'm looking for more of that. When it comes to metals, gold, sideways market, as I mentioned before, I'm looking for more of the same. And when it comes to crude oil, I expected this to get weaker because of the strength in the U.S. dollar. Right now, based on this behavior, I'm looking for a sideways to lower market. And in the grains, soybeans did wake up. We are seeing some buyers coming in, and I'm looking for a strong close at the end of today's trading session. Well, that concludes today's market studies. Look forward to being with you again, and in the meantime, take care.